Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Stay connected. Call me Simon, and today I want to help you solve this problem. The amount of system memory has changed. Dell Latitude. So guys, this is mostly happen when you have replaced a new RAM or you added another RAM. So exactly when you open your computer, you'll be welcome with this message: the amount of system memory has changed. Yeah, from here now you'll be having several options. First one is to press F1 key, the second one is to press F2 key, then the third one is to press F5 key for BIOS. So my recommendations are you need to press F2 key. After pressing F2 key, you'll be allowed to enter in. Then the next step is you need not to forget to press F10 key, so that whenever you open your computer, the message will not appear again. So that's how it's done. If you are not getting the serial options, then you need to try to reset your RAM, then and you open your computer again. So guys, thanks for watching. If you are new here, please consider to subscribe to support my YouTube channels. So see you next time.